everyone, it's Zuzu, and this video will be all about weathering your Silent Hill nurse cosplay dress, or just a dress for Halloween maybe, to make it all look scary and gory. So that's what we're gonna do today. Yeah, if you're ready, then let's go. For this tutorial you're going to need some tea. I'm using tea like this, but it's perfectly fine to use tea that's just in a bag already. I think black tea or Earl Grey will be quite good options. Then some paper, a brush if you're going to mix paint, a sponge like this, and different kinds of shades of paint in red, brown, and I also have some white and black if I want to lighten up a color or make it darker. And I think I'm going to mix them as well. And of course, your dress. So to make the base color of this dress, we're going to soak the dress in tea. I'm using several bags of it, and first I'm adding hot water so that the tea will really seep into the water. And once I think that it's dark enough, I add some cold water to cool down the water, because I'm not going to put fabric into boiling water. So once you feel like it feels okay to put your hand inside the water, put the shirt in and just let it soak for several hours. I let mine soak for about 4 hours, and I turned it occasionally, and then I let it dry overnight. And here we have the dress after soaking it into tea. As you can see, it got a really soft beige tone. Alright, so I put a large plastic bag on my mannequin so it will not get dirty when I paint it. But if you want, you can also paint it on the ground or ask your friend to wear it. Just make sure that your friend or the ground has something that protects everything else that should not be painted from getting painted. So I started by mixing some brown, black and red, and I'm going to apply it with my sponge. What you're going to do with the sponge is that you're going to dip it into the paint. But before you're going to apply it, like you see on the sponge, there's quite a lot of paint. So you wipe most of it off, and then with the bit that is still on the sponge, you get it on the shirt. Like so. And then you're just going to paint it the way you want to. Actually, at the bottom I want it to be quite a lot darker, and then slowly make an ombre effect more to upwards. And also think about where you want to have the shadows. Like, shadows can be really good in the details of a dress. So like in the seams would be really nice to put some details, like they really pop off. So those can be really good ideas to put some extra paint on. And of course you can also cut the sponge if you want to. If you want to work with a smaller sponge, that's totally fine. And here is the new dress. And that's it, you're done. I'm so excited because this is the second time that I've done it. And I think I made such an improvement of the dress that I made before. And this is the old one. So as you can see, I think I learned a lot, and I think you guys can too, so it's totally fine to do something again. So for this tutorial I actually only use these three. So it's just black, this is burnt umber, and pyrrole red. If you want to recreate the same kind of color scheme, then these are the three dyes that I used and mixed. So the first one with the red was these three, and then the second layer was only the brown. So as you can see, in cold water it almost loses no color with soap, and when you wash it in warm water it loses some color, but I feel like maybe it's because the dress was kind of dirty and maybe the color changement in the water was because of the dirt. At least the acrylic paint is not being removed. Perhaps the tea could be lighting up a bit, but you know, you could just put the dress into a ball of tea again if you want to. That was the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos, or if you want to support me making videos, then don't forget to subscribe. It would help me so much. And yeah, I wish you all a really nice weekend. See you all next time. Keep sparkling. Bye bye.